strength and hope with us. We appreciate your humble and dedicated for more than 15 years of service. This token of appreciation is given to Joel Fajardo. For her extraordinary loyalty and dedication over the past 25 years in service to the municipality of San Isidro Bohol, as given this 27th day of September 2024 at San Isidro Gymnasium, Poblacion, San Isidro Bohol, in the occasion of joint celebration of the 124th Philippine Civil Service Anniversary and Family Day. Signed, Honorable Filimon R. Matabute, Municipal Vice Mayor, and Attorney Desjado and Humentisa Jr., CPAGD Municipal Mayor. This plaque of appreciation is given to Engineer J. Lucille B. Archaga as a Municipal Government Department Head 1 Municipal Engineer. For dedication over the past 30 years in service as Administrative Aide for Disbursing Officer 1. Past 30 years as a Municipal Government Department Head 1 Municipal Treasurer. Okay. Their dedication over the past 25 years in service as Administrative Aide Utility Worker 1. Is given to Honorable Filimon R. Matabute for his extraordinary loyalty and dedication over the past 35 years in service as a Sangguniang Bayan member until being a municipal vice mayor at present to the municipality of San Isidro Bohol. Give them a round of applause.